I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be doing more of an editorial makeup look. So stay tuned to see how to do this fun look. I'm starting with Cover FX Anti-Age Smoothing Eye Primer on my eyes. I'm using the color Stark from the Naked 2 Basics palette all over my eyelid up to my brow bone. And from the McGrath Mothership Subliminal palette, I am using Substance in the outer crease area. And Substance is a really pretty sable gray-brown with silver shimmer. I got a little bit more than I wanted out here, so I'm going to clean it up a little. And I'm also going to fill in some of that Substance color on the lid. Up and next is Blitz Blue, which is a stunning blue color, metallic. I'm using a Sigma Smudge E21 brush along with some primer water. And then I'm applying this on the inner crease in a bold blue line. Q-tips are so great if you need a little cleanup. And now I'm taking Extreme Black along with a diffused crease E38 brush from Sigma, and I'm working that into the outer corner here and blending it into the blue. So I'm just going to kind of deepen this up out here. Sometimes these more editorial looks look completely insane as you're doing them, but in the end it usually works out and they look cool. But while you're doing it, it looks a little crazy. I'm applying Clinique's Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner on top. I'm adding a little Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top lashes. I am going to add some face makeup, brows, and lashes, and I will be right back. I am back, and I am wearing some gorgeous lashes from Allure. They are super bold and dark, and they are called Luxe Gilded Lashes. So for my waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Starlight Gold, and this is a Lasting Drama Light Liner. So this is a brand new product, and you know I always like some shimmer. And this gives a really pretty subtle shimmer in the waterline. I'm going to use some of Substance, which is that first color we applied on the outer corner. And I'm going to use Lilac Dust under my eye, focusing it on the inner half. This palette is super fun to play with. I feel like my makeup just looks out of this world. Like I should be on an alien spaceship or something. And I'm using Astral White for the inner corner. That is a super cool inner corner highlight. I'm using Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. So you can see how when you're doing a more editorial makeup look, it is going to look super scary and ridiculous while you're doing the look, but it all comes together at the end. I am so happy with this final look. It is absolutely stunning. It was inspired by Linda Hallberg, so definitely go check out her on Instagram. She is a fabulous makeup artist, and it's different, but it's fun if you like to play with some color. I wanted to use this blue from that McGrath Subliminal palette in an eye look, and I think this is a really unique way to use it, and it's just stunning. I love it. We are almost done. I'm using Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Opal on my upper cheekbones. And a little on my nose, forehead, and Cupid's bow. And since our eye look is super bold, I'm just finishing off with Diamond Kiss Gloss from LipSense. This has real crushed diamonds in the gloss. So that gives us a little something on our lips without being too overpowering. So here is our final makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely loved playing more with that Pat McGrath Subliminal palette. And I love this unique look. Yes, probably not something you'd want to do for every day, but maybe for a night out on the town or when you're wanting to do something a little bit creative with your makeup. I think it's always fun to sometimes push the boundaries and do something a little bit different. Please give me a thumbs up if you love playing with makeup. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what kind of other makeup videos you want to see. I hope you are having a beautiful week, and I will see you next time.